Hello kids, let's learn new shapes and symbols. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. This is black color. Black color. This is smiley. Triangle. Rectangular frame. Rhombus. This is cube. Cross. Let's color these shapes and symbols. This is pink color. This is smiley. Light green color. This is triangle. Brown color. Rectangular frame. Sky blue. This is rhombus or diamond. Violet color. This is cube. It is 3D shape. This is purple color. Cross. Smiley, triangle, rectangular frame, rhombus, cube, cross. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.